Just because the last video doesn't have the proper intro does not mean I'm still not here pledging allegiance to the bag. My name is Percy Mescuddy, but most people call me Zosh, but you can call me Mr. Pledge Allegiance. Yeah. And I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag, bro. Run it. What's up, fool?
What's happening?
What's up, y'all? For today's video, as you guys can read the title, we got some changes to the RS6. I've been loving this RS6 content. Like the video right now. Bro, you know what? Honestly, bro, just like the video, bro. For real. Like the video right now. Or else. If you follow me on Instagram, which most of y'all do, bro, look, bro, you know what? I'm tired of this, bro. If you've been following me on Instagram, you guys seen that I changed the wheel color of the wheels. I did. I plastidip them black. I'm gonna show you. So this is how they look right now, right? Cool, silver, yay. What's up, boo? And this is how they look with the black. I'm a fan of the black. I know it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I think black wheels just always look better in person. You can't really go off the camera, but in my opinion, black fits this way better than a silver. I'm not a fan of silver polished wheels on my builds. I'm just not a fan of it. I like the aggressiveness, like bronze or, you know, black or any dark color I'm a fan of. I just don't like silver. Just not a fan of silver wheels. But we're gonna dip the other side black, and then I can give you guys a proper like video of like cinematics and stuff like that. Hopefully you guys will like it. If you don't like it, oh well, I don't give a f. Okay, so here I have my Kansei KNP'S ready for that plastidip job right there. Ooh, it's gonna look really nice up in here. Now, I know what you guys are probably thinking. Zosh, bro, what are you doing? And I know what Zosh is probably thinking. I don't give a f. Full send. And that's just what it is. Love you. Okay, car's all done. Well, these were done yesterday. And now the passenger side is done. I won't be able to film the cinematics today. This will be a part of this video, but right now I gotta go to Justin's game. I'm actually late. I haven't even bought my ticket yet. The game starts at 4:30. It's 4:37. I gotta go. So yeah, I'll pick up this camera tomorrow with the cinematics and stuff. All right, camera is on 12%. I'm gonna try to bang out the cinematic as best I can, so enjoy whatever footage I'm able to get with 12% of battery life. And ladies and gentlemen, that is all I filmed for that day because my battery died and I was just exhausted, bro. Like, daily uploading, bro, it's exhaustion on a whole new level, dog. I'm gotta chase this bag, bro. This Evo is not gonna buy itself, but shit, so is my lack of viewership, bro. My views It's depressing, bro. Like, how do you have 200 some thousands? Bro, it's depressing. I'm sad, bro. I deserve so much more, though. I hope one day I get it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you did, leave a like on the video. Oh, man. Bro. I'm debating if I want to order a pizza, dog. Pizza Hut came out with this, like, I don't know what it's called, bro. Bro, I don't even like Pizza Hut pizza. I'm a Domino's fanboy. But this, bro, with the stuffed, like the stuffed crust. Oh, bro, I'm getting pizza, bro. Cheese pizza, stuffed crust. Oh, my God, bro. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, leave a dislike on the video. Actually, I do not give a f. I love each and every single one of you guys. Let me know if you think my car is sick or not. Tire letters come in the mail tomorrow. I've been doing the K20 head swap on the Integra, so look forward to that content. I know this video was short. I apologize for that. I really thought I filmed more than what you just saw, but I didn't, so I'm sorry. At least there's only like, what, one ad in this entire video, so that's straight. That's cool. That's cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.